Happy New Year mga kachinoys! On this first vlog for 2025, let me share with you our Boxing Day experience and the New Year celebration.
Hello mga kachinoys! So, we are here at the Aldershot Station and second time kong mag-go train. So, the last time I was here was 2018 and it's Boxing Day today!
Hi! Pupunta kami sa Toronto, capital.
Hi vlog! It's Boxing Day here in Canada, so we're
Hello mga kachinoys! I'm so excited! It's Boxing Day! December 26th! So, dito na kami guys, finally after 1 hour sa York Concourse. Ayan. So, ito na yung Union Station na sinasabi. This is the final destination and you're in Toronto already. So, how do you feel?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Confident! We are currently still here at the Union train station. But as you can see, sa laki nito at dami ng mga stores ay para ka nang nasa mall.
So guys, nandito na kami sa syudad. Welcome to downtown Toronto and Yonge Street.
It's really a different vibe and energy when you are here at downtown Toronto. Especially seeing a lot of people in all walks of life. Ang saya-saya at nakakalibang talaga.
So our first stop is the Eaton Centre Mall. Kasi ito yung first mall na pag bumaba ka ng Union Station, tas 4 blocks away is the Eaton Centre. Okay guys, tandaan ninyo, kapag naka-red light ang signal, indigo.
Sabi nila bukas yung mall, ba't nakasara?
Guys, kapag ka tumatanda na tayo, aminin natin sa sarili na kailangan na nating
Mega. Ba't sabi nila ngayon Boxing Day? Eh bakit All Saints Day?
Guys, bakit kaya hindi ako makakonect? Siguro offline. So meron ako guys nakita na haruta na meron ako nung elementary ako or high school. Andito meron siya sa College Spring. So titingnan natin. Let's go. So ito yung hindi sakto siya ng haruta. Pero maganda siya na ano, yung naka-fitted maongka and then bitin. Parang John Lloyd style.
Of course, happy holidays all of that. See you in that window.
So, it's our third time na pupunta dito sa Jollibee. Grabe talaga ako nag-i-enjoy sa mga mall dito. Ano, ikaw? Hindi. Ibang-iba talaga sa Pilipinas.
Mas masaya, mas maganda sa atin.
Correct. Tsaka dito puro mga signature talaga, yung mga super branded. So, hindi ka naman mag-i-enjoy if you really don't have the big budget to go for shopping.
Teka lang, Jollibee, nandyan na ako. Wala sa Pilipino at home sa Jollibee.
Wow! We miss Jollibee!
Jolly Christmas! Ito na po yung order mo sa Ayan guys, so maliit yung chicken. Parang sa Pinas lang. Normally kasi dito malalaki yung serving ng chicken. I'm having a duckling. Two-piece chicken with a choice of side, one side only. And then may kasama na siyang drink and a peach mango pie for $15.49. Para siyang 630 pesos. Mahal na. Let's eat! So it's 3 p.m. and pupunta na kami ngayon dun sa I think Christmas Village sa distillery.
Hi guys, we're going to the Distillery Winter Village. And we're currently waiting for streetcar down to Distillery Winter Village.
Maghihintay kami ng tram. Ang tawag pala rito ay streetcar. First time ko to. This is my first time na makakasakay ako ng tram dito sa downtown Toronto.
Sobrang lamig.
Ayan ang bus! So, andito na kami sa Distillery Village. Grabe ang haba ng pila. So, yung ticket namin binili na online. May QR code dito na i-scan mo. Tapos, $15 per head. Ayan. Kaya mo pa?
Hindi na. Lamig.
Grabe. Mga half an hour na kami nakapila guys dito. Pero malapit na kami sa entrance, finally. Talagang grabe, kilig sa lamig. Sa sobrang lamig ay nadidrain yung battery. So, sana makaabot pa ng konti. Ayan. Ayan. So, pag nandito kayo guys sa Distillery, di ba sa atin mainit? Siguro may irita kayo pero dito tuwa kami kasi pag talikod mo, may heater. Merong heater dyan na para may lampara dyan sa taas na pagdaan nyo mainit. So may mga tao dito sa likod namin na nagpapainit. Kami, at dito rin sa likod. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, akala namin may nagpa-barbecue dyan pero hindi pala, nagpapainit sila ng kamay. Sa Pilipinas yun siguro para ka na nasa impyerno. Marami ritong mga food stalls definitely. Ayan, pero since kumain na kami, hindi naman kami gutom. Nandyan siya sa likod. Ayan. Ayan, so nandito kami sa loob. So akala namin kanina yung entrance lang doon guys. Yung pinakang highlight dito sa Distillery Village. So mahaba pala siya. It's a very, very old, mga century-old building. Distillery. Ayan. And then ang daming highlights din dito like yung giant Christmas tree, mga, of course, yung mga kainan, no, yung mga food stalls. A lot of mga Christmas themes that you can have your pictures taken. Ayan.
Unfortunately, we never get the chance to see and have a picture with Santa Claus, since it's already December 26 during this visit.
Action.
Saan na bang yung susi ng kandado?
Nasaan?
Yung kandado.
Wait lang! Akala ko ba nasa Canada ako? Ba't nandito ako sa...
And with all honesty, there's no place like home, sabi nga. Especially during this Christmas season, ibang level pa rin ang saya ng Pasko dyan sa Pilipinas.
Hello, hello mga kachinoys! So it's New Year 2024! Ayan, at kami ay makiki-New Year dito kila Ross. Ayan. Hindi, in-invite naman kami every year nandito ako. Isang maulang bagong taon. Ayan na naman, Diyos ko. Isang taon na naman. Hey, Happy New Year! My friend!
New Year, may sakit ako.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
And as expected yearly, Kabigting family would always prepare varieties of delicious meals for the Medianoche.
So ang daming pagkain as usual. Ayan.
Dami na mga handa.
Happy New Year! Hi! All the best for 2025! Cheers!
Ayan, so tapos nang kumain, mga busog na, sila ay nagbababaan na. Ang dahilan, mag-videoke na po sila.
I'm glad you came home. I dedicate this song to all the girls I loved before.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. You can dance, you can dance, every time of your life.
Every time we say goodbye, baby, and the band won't play. Someone feels the record shows right through the walls and big more Nasasaktan ako, baby. Nagpisagli na hihita ka. Naninibugo ako, baby. Pag may kasama kang iba.
Tayo ang ilaw, sumadilim na daan. Pagkakapit-bisik, ngayon'y higpitan. It's countdown here in Canada! And we're watching the New York City countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
And lastly, thank you so much to all our dear friends for all the gifts that you have given us this Christmas. May God bless you more.
Once again, this has been the Red Chinoy na nagsabing, huwag malungkot, maging masaya, dahil ang bukas ay may hatid na tagumpay at ligaya. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye!